ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra shapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fabricate Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban shakriya phi hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapa ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
u MLA jong ka Mawhati constituency upa dasakhet lamariu la yatho ba ulanang yai Buddien nakatnat development of northeastern region nakabentaban Shna ka Surok ka paniso ek Shnong Umsning hadu ka Shnong Jagi ka bajrong prapho kilometer kat kum ka jing tho jong ba dasakhet lamari ya ka benta ka ba 20 kilometer jong ni Surok on sabai pisa da ka World Bank bat ya ka bala khmilen tiru pan sa khot tender no hau banai ban wan bat yak basa sa 20 kilometer pat la khmilen ti ban bay pisa da ka NERSDS hakabay day bakniu ba lamariu la pentip ru ba ula lecha Delhi Dangshan bani kendo menteri khana popej ya ka development of northeastern region u Dr. Jitendra Singh ban pensngau halor kani jing thumu ban chnai kani Surok nalor ka taw la tho shu ba ula pensngau ru hau Dr. Jitendra Singh halor ka Surok ka panisno ya ka Shnong Bharmbong sha maulas nai ter shadu ka Shnong Sabuda ka paniso ba ka jala Assam ka bajrong khat phra kilometer
road which is Umsning Jagi road. It has a length of 80 kilometers. That's a total stretch of it, and 40 kilometers is expected to be funded by the World Bank, which will according to my expectation tender will be floated next month, I think month of February, funded by World Bank like I said. And then other 40 kilometers, the second part of the 80 kilometer, that is expected to be funded by NESRDS. So no, NERSDS, I'm sorry. So Monday I went to Delhi. I flew to Delhi to meet Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Donor Minister of India. I met him. We sat for 15-20 minutes, and it was a very good discussion. So I had a discussion with him regarding the same, and he, from his side as well, he had given me an assurance for, trying his level best to fund that road for me, for the state, I can say. And I went to meet him not only for that road, but there's another road which is called Bharmbong Molosnai Sabuda road. This is also a road that connects Assam with Meghalaya, and this road is this side towards Block 2. This Block 2 border area, Molosnai, Khandausu, Sabuda, and all these villages are in that road stretch. This road is 18 kilometers long, and its estimate is estimated to be 56 crore rupees. Yeah, so these two roads was discussed with Honorable Donor Minister, and from his side, yes, obviously all of us know that because of COVID and because of so many other reasons, we have a little bit problem when it comes to fund. And he also told me the same thing, that this year, this coming year 2021-22, financial year 21-22, they are expected to get less fund, not like other years. So he did give me an assurance that he will try his best. He and his team, his department, will try their level best to give whatever amount they can for these two roads. If not both, at least one, maybe the 40 kilometers or the 18 kilometers. See, total sanction of the Umsning Jagi road, since this road, this stretch of 80 kilometer stretch of road is proposed from two different department, we can say. Like I said, half of it is from World Bank, the other half is from NERSDS. So the estimate that is proposed from NERSDS, it comes to 140 crore rupees. Yeah, but the first stretch of the road, 40 kilometers, that is only 85 crore rupees from World Bank. So even if we get these sanctions from NEC, so it will be done, I think, in the next financial year, not this financial year. Yeah, they clearly explained to me that this financial year, all the old ones has to be, has to be done first, finished first, and then they will start a new one. So my proposals are considered new proposals because of the lockdown and this and that. So I think they will take it up in the next financial year, 21-22. So most probably, let us hope that, yeah, if, like I said, if we don't get both the sanction, also at least one we will get. Yeah. And this is a very important road actually. This is a second highway that connects us to Assam. No, a very, if we talk about a primary road, a very, this is the second one. We have the one which we use right now via Nongpo, Jorabat. No, that is one. This one is also a very important one. Why? I'll tell you. It's because this road takes us all the way to Jagi road, and it will, for people who is traveling this part of Assam towards the other side of Assam, this road will really help. So it is a very, very, very important road. And government of Meghalaya also has taken a lot of initiative regarding this road. But yes, because of two reasons we cannot avoid, that's why it's taking a lot of time. So Honorable PWD Minister, Deputy CM, Prastone also has given his best for this road, considering the fact that it's very important. So I'm very thankful to him, and obviously very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister as well. He has done his part, also his best, whatever possible. And yes, in past few years, past 2-3 years, we did have a few problems when a few problems regarding estimates and World Bank. They need data, a lot of all these things. So we did have a little bit problem, but now everything is sorted out. So I hope at the earliest we'll get it, and then it'll be benefit for the public of Mawhati also, and obviously for me also, because the public of my constituency right now, they are closing their eyes to the rest of the development that I've given them, and they are focusing only on this road. Yeah, so it's it's my duty to finish it off, but then because of 1-2 problem, like I said, it's not not possible for me to do it. But I hope very soon it'll be done. It was blacktop many years ago, so when blacktopping starts to think, it's worse than Kacha road. Kacha road, at least you can drive properly, but then you understand when it's blacktop once, and that blacktopping starts to scrap away, it becomes more difficult to drive. So the difficulty level of this road is like double, 2 times the one you get when if you have only Kacha road. So it's very critical, and it's affecting everything. Mawhati is a constituency. There are I think I would say 80% of the population of Mawhati constituency are farmers. They have the products which they have to send all the way to Umsning, all the way to Nongpo, all the way to Shillong, and they find it very difficult. The price of the transportation increases, and then many things, and that is farmers. Second thing, patients, sick patient, which Mawhati PHC cannot take care of. They have to go all the way to Umsning, or they have to go all the way to Shillong, they have to go all the way to Nongpo. It's very sad. It's very, very sad. Yeah.